Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix battery icon not showing up in taskbar. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. First of all, I want to say I'm really sorry about the lack of videos on my channel because school is holding me back, the English courses are holding me back, and the gym is holding me back, and other private things that I cannot tell you. All of these things are holding me back, and I cannot make as many videos as I did back in July and August, because in July and August I made like 3 to 4 videos per week, and currently I'm making 1 video per week because, as I said, all of those things are holding me back and I cannot make as many videos as I did back in July and August. And this thing will continue for a while now. So what this means, I will upload 1 video per week because all of these things are holding me back and I cannot find a better time to make these videos. Today is Saturday and I have time to make that video right here. So let's get to the point of this video. So for this video I have 2 possible methods to fix the issue that it does not show the battery icon right here. As you can see, my battery icon is shown right here because I did not have that issue, and it actually had that issue like 2 weeks ago. The battery icon did not show up one day, and I thought of recording that video in that day where the battery icon was not showing up, but it eventually the next day the battery icon showed up again. So what you need to do for the first method, right click to taskbar and then click taskbar settings. Once the Windows 10 settings has opened, scroll down a bit to where it says notification area and click select which icons appear on the taskbar. And here make sure that the power, the first one, yours may be in the third place or fourth place, it doesn't matter. Make sure that the power is on, because if it's off, as you can see, the battery icon disappeared, and if I re-enable it, the battery icon will come up again. So make sure that the power is on, and yeah, let's go to method number 2. So for method number 2, you need to go to device manager. To do that, right click to start and then click device manager, and once the device manager has opened, you need to look for the batteries, as you can see right here. Click the little arrow next to it, next to the batteries, and you should see these 2 batteries right here: Microsoft AC adapter and Microsoft Surface ACPI compliant control method battery. So what you need to do with those 2, you need to right click to the first one and you need to disable that battery. It says here that it may stop functioning. Just click yes, it won't harm anything, do not worry. And do the same thing to the second battery. Click yes, and it may say right here that you need to restart your computer. Just click no if it shows up. As you can see here, if you see this option, this error right here, or this warning, just click no and re-enable them again. As you can see, the battery icon has come up on its own without doing anything. Just re-enable these batteries and do the other thing to the other battery. Click enable. It says here that you need to restart it before doing the setting. Just click no again and the battery icon should come up. If it doesn't still come up, write a comment in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. So that's a video guys, thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section, I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section, I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching guys, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.